Alright, here's an update. That's a TI's CC3. I had a bit of user error before with the steering wheel controls. There was a connector that was plugged into the screen that's usually up the back of the Fiesta, or up the top, the tiny little screen. I didn't plug that in. It looked like a weird connector and I didn't realise that it did come with one, or the CC3 did come with one to plug into that. So I plugged it in. Not only do I have steering wheel controls and skip song, but I've still retained these volume controls and skip song. Don't know if any of the other buttons, menu or anything work. Oh yeah. DSP, wow, okay, so the DSP button there, took me to that screen, the display one, okay, it makes it go black, sweet, sound, okay, so that obviously takes you to the default like music player. Anyway, bit of stuff to play around with, but happy to get it going.